Fittonia, also known as nerf plant, is a slow-growing evergreen perennial. They grow about 4 to 6 inches tall. Prefers bright, indirect light, but direct sunlight can cause leaf burn. It prefers its indoor environment to be as close as the humid shade of its tropical forest nature habitat. The Fittonia loves water and likes to be constantly moist, but not waterlogged. Water it well when the topsoil is dry. If it dries out too much, the leaves will wilt and collapse dramatically, but are easily revived with a quick drink of water. Avoid getting in the habit of letting this happen, as repeated dry soil will ultimately damage the plant. Average household humidity levels are sufficient, but they will thrive better in higher levels. Humidity can be boosted with regular misting. A humidifier is necessary if humidity levels are constantly low. Another method to raise levels is to group plants together. Underwatering or low humidity will result in leaves developing crispy tips. This plant will prosper in average room temperatures ranging between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid cold breezes and direct air from heaters in winter. Temperatures below 55 can do permanent damage to the plant. Fittonia is a short-rooted plant that grows well indoors with regular potting soil. Make sure the pot has several draining holes, as it dislikes being waterlogged. Fittonias are not poisonous to humans or pets. Repot every year in spring or summer using fresh soil to prevent soil compression. The roots of the plant tend to spread in the soil and get root-bound fast. Roots will begin growing out of drainage holes, giving you a sign that they need repotting. Cautiously remove old soil and insert the plant in a pot prepared with fresh soil. It can be pruned to remain small if you prefer not to keep repotting it into larger pots. Use the cuttings to grow new plants. It can grow quickly in ideal conditions, and the stems can become leggy. Fittonia is usually propagating from stem cuttings or leaves. For optimal results, choose a segment of the stem with 1 or 2 growth knots and insert it in water in a bright, humid spot. Cuttings can also be planted directly into the soil. This can take about 2 weeks to start appearing. It is best to propagate it from cuttings taken when pruning the plant during spring or summer. Propagation from seeds isn't usually successful. Terrariums retain humidity and recycle water extremely well. A perfect enclosed environment that the Fittonia will love and thrive in. The best part is that you don't have to worry about watering and humidity levels as when grown in a pot. Fittonia is an easy plant to care for, although it can be affected by a few problems. Overwatering can make the leaves turn yellow. A pot with good drainage holes is necessary to prevent root rot. Cold temperatures can result in leaf drops. Low humidity or direct sunlight can result in the leaves becoming dry. Use a humidifier if levels are low and avoid direct sunlight. Insects that can attack the plant include fungus gnats, mealybugs, and aphids. Infestations should be treated immediately with neem oil.